When it comes to Thanksgiving, there are certain must-haves. Of course, you gotta have turkey. As for the sides, no traditional Thanksgiving Day feast is complete without mashed potatoes and some sort of stuffing. So today, we're focusing on a mashed potato casserole that's super easy. Plus, since you can make it ahead of time, it'll help you avoid a lot of last-minute stress. We begin by boiling about 4 pounds of peeled potatoes until they're fork tender. After draining them, we place them in a large bowl and beat them with our secret ingredient, some cream cheese. Once they're smooth, we add some chopped onion, a couple of eggs, a bit of flour, and a little salt and pepper. After this gets mixed, it goes into a casserole dish to get baked off. And to take this over the top, we sprinkle it with crispy fried onions. Once this gets passed around the table the first time, don't be surprised when everyone starts asking you to pass it around again and again. Drizzled with gravy or not, these are amazing. The recipe for our mashed potato casserole is online now and is one that shouldn't be missed. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a creamy and comforting way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."